Ay, so may ano tayo, open na muna natin. Open namin dito. Yan, tuloy. Hindi, wag mo na nga. Wag mo na natin pakita. Oh, yan. Ganyan mo. Hawak mo. Tatanggalin natin yung tape, guys.
Wag na guys. That's okay guys.
Guys, masusok kami dito. Tapos malunok namin yung ano.
Hey, I don't want anymore.
We need a straw.
Okay, I'm gonna get one, okay? Guys, I get tayo straw. Let's go.
Don't stop it.
Guys,
Justin is telling us it needs
get tayo straw. Ito, failure natin to. Okay? Paalis pala tayo straw. That's why wag na lang tayo straw. Okay? Wala na tayo straw. Ate Sab! Wala straw.
Okay na to. Iinom na lang natin. You first. Kasi ikaw gumawa eh. Yung sa akin nasa baba.
Good.
Ako.
Sarap.
Guys, kunin niyo yung candy. Pakita natin kung ano nilagay natin.
Top na. Ito guys. Yan yung nilagay natin with water.
Tapos shake nyo. Tapos lagay nyo sa freezer. Tapos hintayin nyo 5 minutes. Pagtapos ng 5 minutes,
Mag-drink
inumin
na nyo.
shake mo muna bago inumin.
Good guys.
Wait lang guys.
So good guys.
Ang sarap nyo
And it's
guys.
spicy. Guys, and spicy. And it's so spicy content. Diba?
Yeah. Kasi toothbrush din to. Parang toothbrush din.
Yes.
Sarap nyo guys. Ikaw. Pengi. Uy, pengi.
Ayaw ko.
Wait lang guys. Ganyan sarap.
Guys, look,
Isa
may
mo.
flashy ako. Ito guys, oh, fluffy. Asa pa
Sarap nyo guys. Tapos may
Look
kulay.
guys, may naku flashy.
Ako mas masarap to.
So flashy. It's so soft. Like a flashy.
At yung guys, oh. At yung ginamit niya. Sino ano ginamit ko dito? Strawberry.
Yes.
Tapos,
It's now strawberry.
kalat natin.
Dapat si kalat na.
Look guys.
Bye-bye,
Bye for part 2.
guys. Bye-bye.